All right, welcome back again on our lesson. And today we have this beautiful, as we stopped the last time, we did a very basic way of sending data from different things. So we were sending data from the the what? From the model to database. So today we are going also to look at how we can represent data in a different way, because the thing is the data of the application will not only be represented like with a table and the like, because when we think about the model, when we think about actually the other part of the database which we need to work on, which is enrollment, there is no use of us showing the lists of blah 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 blah. We need to find a very smooth and a very best way to do that. So for us to do that, we're going to add here another button, another how can I call it? If you remind me in proper English, another model. And then from that model will be the one that will be lolling. We can add something on this, but I feel like it's better we add something from the other side. So let's hear from you, but we'll add this, and then you can propose otherwise. Because when we add this, we have a little bit two weeks, but when we add on this, we have almost 1 week of calling the other one. So it's both sides. I want mostly why I'm trying to look at the other way is the way of representing data in a very different way. So what we want to use is actually it's using Bootstrap, but the tags are from the HTML. We are going to use Bootstrap 5. Yep. We're going to use Bootstrap 5, and the tag we are going to use on the layout, we are going to use form actually, and we are going to use select. So why we are choosing select? Because it will give us this option, and we see the list of the thing we want to choose, and we select that, and it goes. And now we want to have these particular things inside a a model. So one thing we need to start with is the model on the I index. So we need to add an additional model. And now remember that we have already a model that is working. I think it's not a good idea, but yeah, and I don't know why this doesn't cross code, because this I don't know, man. I don't see that option of yeah, collapse code. I don't see, but yeah. So I need the same content again, but with a different approach. And this one now will be for what? So let's no. So let's say uh-huh. So we are going to have even a comment, I think, to make sure that things are clear. So this model trigger, it will be triggering what? It will be triggering stream. No, enrollment and model, and yeah, enrollment model, and this one is add stream model triggering add stream model. Okay, so we have these two, but now I would need to change here. Instead of add, I will put and lol now, and I will change here, but also I'll change these two here. So these two here, if you can see properly. I'll call and lol ball level, which goes together here. Um, inside here, I will need to put select. We'll see it from the other side, and this guy will be in LOL. I think that's the way it should be. So these two will not be there. Hmm. Okay. All right. All right. So we need to see what we have. And if we refresh, we have I didn't change at the stream. Hey, should change that all over here. So and lol now and lol students. Yeah, I think that is good, and as they tell me, yeah. So this is working, and this is working. So, so things are working properly, but we need to change a few things now. So if you remember on this side, the select code is you have select, and you can have this class whatsoever, area label, default select example, a lot of things, but also this and that and this and that. You can have that, but the main part, main part is this select and then options, which comes with value and the like. Selected is the opening. So yeah, let's go with this. We're going to take this, so we are going to use number one. And we're going to have to select because remember we are having oh, what did I do? Remember we are having two things. I will show you in a moment. We are having student and we are having stream. So we need to match those two and select and then save. So there's three things. There is student ID, there is enrollment ID, but also there is year that they want to be selected. Okay. So that means that input, the last part is it's going to be it's going to be that. Uh-huh. And then the name will be indol that. And this will change also be in-law student now. In-law student now. Mm, But yeah, we have a class here, right? And we say form control. All right. So if we go back to our testing area, we are going to see something like this, which is bit not so beautiful, but yeah, it's better than nothing. And we have our year there, all right? So that's is good, and that's going to be amazing. So you can choose anyway. We are ahead of ourselves. We are in many years, and it's fine. So let's go in 2024 and that particular date. Okay. So anyway, in any way, the thing will work accordingly to what you want. So the main thing that you are going to do first this. So after that, when we go here, we'll be seeing. So if this select student, so the first one is select student. Mm, and the other one will be select mm, stream or course. Select course. I think, yeah. Let's keep stream thing. I don't know why we had the stream, but let's keep that for now, as long as that it doesn't affect anyone. If you are affected with stream, please let us know so that we can change. We don't need to make sure that we don't need to make you being affected by that. And that means we are not going to be helping you and anyone. So if we go to enrollment, we choose the student and we choose the stream and we choose the year, and then we are good to go. When we save that, I mean that this student who is selected is now going to have a specific stream, and the stream in this case is a subject they are taking, is a course that they are taking, they are following. So apart from that, if it was about secondary and primary, those who could be standard and the like. But for this one, we are almost done, and we are ending here today until next time when we are going now to look how to make this code here to show the names of student, and this one to show the names of the stream, and the same, so that when we pick, and in this one we pick a student we see, but what we send will be something else. So thank you very much. Until next time, this is Roy Choir, the one that is bringing to you the best PHP learning material. We are working on Java also, Java course. We want to make sure that you learn about Java. Actually, it's a beautiful language that I love, that I have been very much interested into, and I have been trying all the things that I think about within Java. So I'll be happy also you to have that chance to look at Java, to talk about Java a little bit. And it's additional. If you have Java and PHP, then you can change your application from mobile. You are now becoming real programmer, like real programmer. Let me say it simple like that. You become the best and the real programming. So keep trying, keep making things work until next time when we are now dealing with code, because today we are not going to touch any code apart from the GUI, and we have done with that. So let's try again, do two things, three things, and then we meet again. Thank you.